glass. So that should be quite a bit of a big upgrade for the rear of this machine, because the kids do complain sometimes, or used to, that they didn't get that good of airflow in the back and it would get kind of hot in the summertime. So these back windows, this is the one that I've had in it. They're super simple to take in and out. You just flip these down across there and it's going to come out. But our new one from StarknightMT, we're going to be able to leave it in all the time and just open the vents to it. So let's open up the box of that one and check it. And it's going to sit like this. So looks like the headrests are going to be somewhere right in here of it. So if you've got passengers and they're sitting, you have that open, it should be pulling air by their head whenever they're sitting. So that should help out quite a bit. But we need to get the weather strip on, and we need to get all the latches put on, and then we can get this thing installed. Same with the bottom. The bottom just hooks around, the top latches up. So they're fairly simple. Rear windows for this side by side off. Now we need to go ahead, mount these down here on the bottom. Okay, now these are going to face the inside, like so. We need to get a couple nuts and bolts, run through there, get those tightened up, and then we'll put the latches on the top, and this thing will be done. And the top pieces, you know, the latch is going to be on the inside. On the outside, you're going to have this. It's going to fit right up in here. Then your latch. So your latch can only turn a certain way. And then you've got a bolt with a washer on it. Stick it up in here. And then a nut down in here. So let's get all that lined up like it should be. This should turn just like so. Latch into place. Okay. And go ahead and get these other two, throw it on. We'll be done. That turned out great. If you guys couldn't see, these things just flip up. That's all you do. Pull it in there, flip it up, and it locks in against that. Then your bottom hooks in around that. You got your weather seal in here. The knob to close the vent. Open it up. See, the vent's closed. So come winter time, those things will be closed. All right, everyone. I don't know if the audio came through or not with the front window up on the way back, but I got up to 45 miles an hour with the front up. Everything stayed put, nice and solid. So, but if you are interested in something like this, and you have a Polaris Ranger or other UTVs, StarknightMT makes a lot of different things for a lot of different makes and models. So